And moving on, a global scramble is underway for one of tech's most basic components, memory chips. A surge in AI demand and shrinking inventories have triggered the sharpest supply squeeze in years, pushing prices to multi-year highs and forcing companies from Microsoft to Xiaomi to fight for allocations. Take a look at this next report for more details.
A severe global shortage of memory chips is tightening fast, pushing prices sharply higher across the tech world. From AI data centers to smartphones and PCs, almost every segment is now competing for shrinking supplies. Inventory levels for key components have dropped to just 2 to 4 weeks compared to nearly 4 months last year. The surge in demand for high-bandwidth memory used in AI chips has forced manufacturers to divert capacity away from traditional products, creating a broad supply crunch. Analysts warn the strain is beginning to spill into the wider economy, raising concerns about inflation and delays in digital infrastructure investments. Tech giants including Microsoft, Google, Meta and ByteDance are now racing to lock in memory supply at almost any cost. Samsung and Micron are reporting that their chips are fully booked through 2026, with prices in some categories more than doubling since February. Samsung recently raised server memory chips by up to 60%, while Chinese firms Alibaba and Tencent have dispatched senior executives to negotiate allocations. OpenAI's long-term project, Stargate, is expected to require nearly 900,000 wafers a month by 2029, which is roughly double the current global HBM output. Chip makers say meeting this demand will take years of new capacity. The shortage is now hitting consumer electronics. Chinese smartphone makers Xiaomi and Realme warn that handset prices may rise 20 to 30% as memory costs surge. Retailers in Japan have begun rationing hard drives and system memory amid widespread stockouts, with street prices tripling in weeks. Even second-hand memory markets are booming as traders hoard inventory and brokers issue hourly price quotes. Industry leaders expect the chip crunch to last well into 2027 and warn that without faster expansion of conventional memory production, both AI growth and global electronic supply chains will face prolonged disruption. Business Bureau, WION World is One.